Looking for the best budget-friendly dash cams in 2025? Whether you're after clear video footage or smart features, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description below which are updated for the best prices. Number 5. Rove R2. Kicking off our list is a dash cam that offers impressive features without breaking the bank. This device captures sharp 4K video at 30 frames per second, ensuring that every detail on the road is recorded with clarity. Its 150-degree wide-angle lens provides an extensive view, covering multiple lanes effortlessly. Equipped with built-in GPS, it accurately logs your driving routes and speeds, adding valuable data to your recordings. The inclusion of dual-band Wi-Fi allows for quick and easy video transfers to your smartphone via a dedicated app, making sharing and reviewing footage a breeze. Nighttime driving is well handled thanks to the Sony Starvis sensor, which enhances low-light performance for clear footage even in darker conditions. Installation is straightforward with the provided suction mount, and the user-friendly interface ensures a hassle-free setup. While it may lack some advanced driver assistance features found in higher-end models, this dash cam delivers reliable performance and high-quality video recording, making it a solid choice for budget-conscious drivers seeking essential functionalities. Number 4. Miofive S1 Ultra. At number 4, the Miofive S1 Ultra offers great value with its 4K front and 2K rear recording, capturing clear footage from both angles. Whether you're driving through busy city streets or cruising on the highway, the front camera captures crisp, detailed footage, while the rear camera ensures you have a complete view of what's happening behind you. It's perfect for situations like backing out of tight parking spots or monitoring any incidents from behind your car. With dual-band Wi-Fi, transferring video to your smartphone is quick and easy, allowing you to review footage while you're on the go, perfect for those quick pit stops during a road trip. The built-in GPS logs your speed en route, giving you essential data for any situations that require proof of your location or speed. Plus, this feature adds an extra layer of security if you're ever involved in an accident. The low-light performance is impressive, providing clear footage even in dark conditions, like driving through poorly lit streets. Installing the cam is straightforward with the included adhesive mounts, though the rear camera does have a slightly lower frame rate compared to the front camera, which could impact the smoothness of rear footage. However, for most users, this won't be a deal breaker. When compared to the Rove R2 at number 5, the Miofive S1 Ultra stands out with its dual camera setup, offering both front and rear coverage in high resolution. The Rove R2, while great for front-facing footage, doesn't offer the same level of detail for rear recordings, making the Miofive a stronger option for comprehensive coverage at a competitive price. The additional features, like GPS and dual Wi-Fi, make it a more versatile choice, particularly for drivers who want a complete, all-around dash cam. Number 3. Garmin Mini 3. At number 3, we have a compact yet powerful dash cam that provides a simple solution for drivers who want solid performance without overwhelming features. With its 1080p resolution and 140-degree lens, this camera offers a wide field of view to ensure you capture all important details on the road, from traffic ahead to vehicles in your blind spots. One of the most appealing aspects of the Garmin Mini 3 is its discreet design. It's small enough to fit behind your rearview mirror, ensuring it doesn't obstruct your view while driving. This makes it an excellent choice for drivers who prefer a minimalistic setup but still want reliable footage. The video quality is sharp, even in low-light conditions, thanks to the camera's advanced night vision capabilities, making it ideal for driving at night or in poorly lit areas. The voice control feature adds a hands-free element, allowing you to start or stop recording, save footage, or mute the microphone with simple voice commands. This is particularly convenient when you're driving and don't want to take your eyes off the road. However, while this feature is handy, the lack of built-in GPS means you won't get location or speed tracking with your recordings, which could be a downside if you're looking for more detailed data. In terms of connectivity, the Garmin Mini 3 relies on its companion app to review and manage footage. While this app is easy to use, it lacks the direct Wi-Fi transfer that some other models, like the Miofive S1 Ultra, offer. Still, the Garmin Mini 3 makes up for this with its straightforward functionality and compact design. When compared to the Miofive S1 Ultra at number 4, the Garmin Mini 3 shines in terms of its portability and ease of use. While the Miofive offers more detailed rear footage and dual camera recording, the Garmin Mini 3's minimalist design and effective front-facing camera make it a strong contender for drivers who want an efficient, no-fuss dash cam that doesn't take up much space or require complex setups. If you're more focused on simplicity and performance without the extra bells and whistles, the Garmin Mini 3 offers a great balance of value and functionality. Number 2. Viofo A329. Approaching the top of our list, this dash cam sets a new standard with its cutting-edge features. It boasts 4K Ultra HD recording at 60 frames per second for the front camera, delivering exceptionally smooth and detailed footage. The rear camera complements this with 2K resolution, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your vehicle's surroundings. Both cameras are equipped with Sony Starvis 2 sensors, enhancing performance in various lighting conditions. The front camera utilizes the 8-megapixel IMX678 sensor, while the rear features the 5-megapixel IMX675 sensor, together providing clear and detailed recordings. A notable advancement is the integration of Wi-Fi 6 technology, allowing for rapid video transfers and seamless connectivity with your smartphone. Additionally, the dash cam supports external SSD storage up to 4 terabytes, offering ample space for extended recording periods without the need for frequent file management. The device also includes built-in GPS for precise tracking of your driving routes and speeds. Voice control functionality adds to the convenience, enabling hands-free operation for various commands. While the higher frame rate delivers smoother footage, it's important to note that it results in larger file sizes. However, the support for extensive external storage mitigates this concern effectively. In comparison to previous models discussed, this dash cam offers superior video quality and advanced features, making it a compelling choice for those seeking top-tier performance in a budget-friendly package. Number 1. Nextbase iQ. This list is a dash cam that goes beyond simple recording. This is more like having a smart security system for your vehicle. With up to 4K front-facing resolution and the option to add a rear camera, it captures ultra-crisp footage whether you're on the highway or parked in a busy lot. But what really sets this model apart isn't just the video quality, it's the level of intelligence it brings to car monitoring. Unlike any other camera on this list, it features built-in 4G connectivity, which opens up real-time remote access from your smartphone. That means you can check in on your vehicle no matter where you are, a feature not found on budget-friendly options, like the Garmin Mini 3 or the Viofo A329. The integrated SmartSense parking mode uses AI to detect suspicious motion or impacts when you're away, instantly alerting you via the app, offering true peace of mind in public parking scenarios. It also introduces Guardian mode, allowing you to set geofencing and speed limits when someone else is behind the wheel. This is especially valuable for parents or vehicle owners who lend out their car. Emergency SOS is another premium safety feature capable of automatically contacting emergency services with your GPS location if a serious accident occurs. While it does come at a higher price, and some of these powerful features require a subscription, no other model in this lineup offers this level of connectivity, control, and proactive protection. Compared to the discreet Garmin, the feature-packed Viofo, or the dual-recording Miofive, this one isn't just a dash cam, it's a connected, AI-powered co-pilot that watches your vehicle even when you can't. If you found your perfect dash cam, or at least got closer to one, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and recommendations. Drop a comment below. Let us know which dash cam you're most excited about, or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.